White bean chicken chili might become your next favorite chili when you try it with my one ingredient flavor upgrade, Roasted Poblano chilies. It's absolutely delicious. First thing we do is add a bit of olive oil, and I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken. I'm using some chopped chicken breast and chicken thighs. I like the mixture, but you can really use just chicken breast or chicken thighs if you want to. Use your favorite. And I have a medium-sized white onion chopped. And I have a mixture of chili peppers here. So for this recipe, I have some jalapeno and also some poblano peppers. And you can really vary up the types of peppers that you're using based on how spicy you want your recipe to be. Cook this down for about 5 minutes or so to soften up the vegetables and get the chicken a bit browned. And then we will continue to make some chili. All right, the chicken is browning up nicely. Everything's cooking down, starting to smell good in here. So moving forward, next we add some fresh chopped garlic. I have about 4 cloves, I believe. You only need to cook it down for about 30 seconds or so until you can smell that gorgeous garlic bloom. Delicious. So next step here is I've got my white beans, and I'm using Great Northern beans here, but you can really use any type of white bean, use your favorite. And I have a couple of cups here of chicken broth. You can use vegetable if you want to, or other broths. Get this nicely stirred. Now comes the seasoning. So with the seasonings, you can really change up the types and the amounts of seasonings that you do, but this is a blend that I personally prefer. Here I've got a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of American chili powder blend, a tablespoon of ancho powder, and I have a tablespoon of dried oregano. And do not forget salt and pepper to taste. And lastly, hot sauce to taste. You can skip the hot sauce if you want to keep it milder. Add a lot, of course, for extra spicy. Get popped in. All right, so here we go, guys. We're just gonna let this simmer for a little while and let all the flavors blend and bloom. It's gonna work together, become a delicious pot of white bean chicken chili. So I will return when it's just about done. So at this point, what you can do, you can adjust your seasonings if you want to. A little more salt, a little more pepper, a little more hot sauce, a little more chili powder. Just really go with your personal tastes. But what I want to do is I want to thicken this up just a little bit. So I've got a couple tablespoons here of cornmeal, and the cornmeal will help thicken up your chili a little bit. And I'll also add a little bit of extra flavor to it. You get that corn flavor. And we'll let it simmer for another 10 minutes to thicken up nicely, and then we will come take a look. It's almost done. All right, boom, look at this. It has thickened up nicely. It's super easy to make, isn't it? White bean chicken chili, my friends. I'd love to hear what you think of the recipe in the comments below, and I hope to see you at the website at chilipeppermadness.com. See you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.